So we're about to pull up to the convention center, CDMX, go see our boys, get some content, get some footage for them, and then help them sell a little bit. So afterwards, we got pack night tonight too. We're about to go get dinner with them. Shit ends at 8. Go get dinner with them, and then go fucking clubbing again, I think, to celebrate Miles' birthday. So Esteban's having a jam-packed weekend here in Mexico City. So, but these views, man, they're unreal. These motherfuckers are, it's a crazy view out in Mexico City. What you think about this place, bro?
Fucking fire.
It's literally lights out, bro. It's one day.
Feels like at home.
Facts. It's because Esteban's Mexican. But I feel like I'm at home too, you know what I'm saying? But
they do got a little K-Town.
Yeah, they do got a little K-Town. We were there last night, grubbing on some Korean food. Some of the best Korean food, arguably, in the entire world that I've had so far. So, my fucking Mexican brothers are doing it right. Damn, beautiful day in Mexico. We'll catch y'all inside. So we got a couple goals. We're here to support our Mexican distributor, our dental arm into Mexico, Dental USA Mexico. We're also here to find some more manufacturing potentially. Trying to find some more South American manufacturing. Currently, it's a little bit more, it's more ideal to have it in the Americas, especially with the international shipping getting crazy. New policies, new president. So we're trying to really streamline our manufacturing process, and we really think that South America could be a viable spot to be able to manufacture in. So, but this is kind of what a trade show vibe looks like out here. This is my favorite company right here.
Where?
Lab Gaze.
Lab Gaze. That's funny.
I swear to God, those motherfuckers just misspelled there. They were trying to spell it out in English, and they said, "Oh, Lab Gaze, Lab Gaze." He said, "Lab Gaze." So now it's a company, but you got a whole bunch of different tech here. You got everything from different types of scrub shirts, all the way to burrs, restorative material, composite material, obviously instruments too. This is our little brother stand right here.
What is up?
This is El Jefe.
This is
Jefe.
So this is my son.
Hey, mijo, mi padre. Amigo, yo soy.
Portillo, man, well known in Monterrey, Mexico, dude. Everywhere, this guy.
What size of suture was he using?
¿Qué sutura pero no estaba usando lo que usted? 6-0.
3-0? Oh no, sí. Oh yeah, 6-0 is fine. It should be. All right, it wasn't there. It wasn't there. Maybe someone sold it. Maybe they sold it or someone took it.
Hey! You went to the second one, right?
Yeah, the second one. Yeah. Miles gonna find a torta tonight for his birthday.
Do Mexicans in one night, we're fun.
Just wrapped it up, headed out now, going back home to change, get our dinner fits on. Overall, not super successful, but it's only the beginning. So we're about to go get changed real quick. We're gonna go to dinner, celebrate Mao's birthday. Mission tonight, find Mao a torta pounder, eat some good food, and have a good time. Make sure Mao can't remember the night. Those are the 3 points that we have to hit tonight. We'll have a successful mission.
Oh my God! Wow!
Panecitos.
Oh, yo sí quiero.
Muchas gracias. Oh, sí.
Brody showed me that photo. I'm like, Kyle's gonna love it.
Para los fans.
Okay, to my fans, thank you very much for being here with me in Mexico City, celebrating my birthday. Thank you, Kyle, Mike, Esteban. Thank you, guys, also, to be here.
Happy birthday, Mau.
38.